Mini excavator versus skid steer, the ultimate showdown. Which machine is better for your project? Let's find out. What this video covers: a detailed comparison of mini excavators and skid steers for construction and landscaping. Mini excavator, the digging master, designed for precision, digging in tough environments, deep digging power. Mini excavators dig deeper and handle trenching like a pro. Versatility beyond digging. Attach breakers, grapples, and augers to handle multiple tasks. Tight spaces? No problem. Compact design allows it to work in narrow areas with ease. Skid steer, the all-around workhorse, a fast, powerful machine built for heavy lifting and moving materials. Compact and maneuverable, perfect for tight job sites and quick turns. Multiple attachments, endless possibilities, switch between buckets, augers, and snowblowers effortlessly. Speed and efficiency, loads and moves materials faster than an excavator. Head-to-head, digging capabilities, mini excavators win for deep digging and trenching. Head-to-head, versatility, skid steers handle more attachments, making them more adaptable. Cost comparison, mini excavators have higher upfront costs, but skid steers are cheaper to maintain. Maintenance and longevity, skid steers require less maintenance but may wear out faster. Job site suitability, mini excavators, best for digging. Skid steers, best for lifting and hauling. Which machine is more durable? Mini excavators last longer in heavy-duty excavation. Which one should you choose? Mini excavator equals deep digging and precision. Skid steer equals speed and versatility. Best for excavation and foundations. Choose a mini excavator for trenching, foundation work, and rough terrain. Best for speed and multitasking. Pick a skid steer for loading, material handling, and quick jobs. Subscribe for more construction tips. Like, share, and subscribe for more heavy equipment comparisons.